All right, let's talk about our real goals. What's one goal you're working on this year?
I'm working on speaking more confidently. How about you?
My goal is to wake up early every day. But to be honest, I wake up early only when I need to catch a flight or when someone drops something in the kitchen.
So your goal is situational waking up.
Exactly. What about your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to write a book. It's been my dream for years.
That's great. What kind of book?
A book about motivation. But ironically, I haven't started writing it.
Motivation level 2 out of 100.
But I am not giving up. I'm still on track. I'm collecting ideas.
In English, we say, I'm taking the first steps.
I'm taking the first steps very slowly, like a baby turtle.
The important thing is you're moving. Let's practice asking questions about goals. I'll ask you, and you answer naturally. What's a goal you want to achieve this year? What steps are you taking to reach your goal? What challenges do you face? How do you stay motivated?
Challenge number 1, laziness. Challenge number 2, more laziness.
Challenge number 3, snacks.
Hey, that's personal. Let's talk about goals people always fail at. Waking up early, reading more books, exercising, eating healthier, learning a new language.
Wait, learning a new language?
Yes, but our listeners are different. They are the motivated ones.
Good save. Repeat after me. My goal is to improve my English.
I'm working toward learning something new every day.
I plan to build good habits.
I hope to achieve my long-term goals.
I won't give up.
I will keep moving forward.
Imagine someone asks you, what are your goals for this year? Pause. Answer.
Now imagine you ask someone else, what steps are you taking to reach your goals? Pause. Answer.
Last one. How do you stay motivated? Pause. Answer.
Let me tell you a story. Last year, my goal was to get fit. I bought running shoes, a water bottle, exercise clothes, everything.
Nice. How many times did you run?
0. But I looked very sporty in the mirror.
In English, we say, buying equipment is not the same as taking action.
I took action. I walked to the store to buy the equipment.
That does not count. What motivates you to work toward your goals?
Sometimes I watch inspirational videos. Sometimes I talk to motivated friends. Sometimes I drink coffee and feel powerful for 20 minutes.
Motivation is helpful, but habits are stronger. In English, we say, small habits lead to big results.
So my habit of sleeping late will lead to big naps?
Exactly. What challenges do you face when working toward your goals?
Number 1, procrastination. Number 2, distractions. Number 3, my bed calling my name.
Here's a useful sentence. I find it hard to stay focused. Or, I sometimes fall behind.
I don't fall behind, I start behind.
Honesty is a great beginning.
I think big goals are important.
I think small goals are more powerful
Why?
because small goals feel possible. Big goals feel scary.
Tell that to my goal of becoming a millionaire.
Start with becoming a hundredaire first.
Speak slowly with pauses. Repeat. My goal is to improve my English.
I'm working toward better habits.
I plan to learn something new this year.
I hope to achieve my long-term goals.
I won't give up.
I will keep moving forward. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. They ask, "What goals are you working on right now?"
Next question. What steps are you taking to reach your goals?
Another question, "What challenges do you face?"
Last one. How do you stay motivated?
Now, switch roles. You ask the questions.
Remember, goals don't need to be perfect. They need to be honest.
And small progress is still progress,
In English, we say, one step at a time.
even if that step is slow or sleepy or in the wrong direction at first.
Just keep going.
Thank you for staying with us in today's episode. We hope you learned useful English and got inspired to think about your goals.
Share your goals in the comments. We want to cheer you on.
If you enjoyed this podcast, subscribe and join us for daily English practice. Let's talk honestly. Why do people fail their goals?
Oh, this is easy. Number one, expectations. For example, I will go to the gym every day, but after day one, I will go sometimes. After week one, I will think about going. After month one, where is my gym membership card?
Yes, many people set goals that are too big. In English, we say, don't bite off more than you can chew.
I chew a lot, especially food. Maybe that's why my goals are confused.
Another reason people fail is routines. Without a routine, your goal is just a dream.
Exactly. If your goal is to learn English but you study once a month, your English will not grow. It will sleep deeply.
So what's the solution?
Small daily actions. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Here's a sentence you can use. I'm building a simple daily routine to stay consistent.
I have a routine. Wake up, check my phone, drink coffee, and then somehow the day is gone.
That is not a routine. That is survival.
But I am surviving strong.
Let me tell you a story about goals and discipline. I had a friend who wanted to learn piano. She bought a beautiful keyboard, a stand, a chair, everything. But she didn't practice much.
Let me guess. It became a clothes hanger?
Yes, she used the keyboard to dry laundry.
Musical laundry. Very fancy.
One day I asked her, "Why don't you practice?" She said, "I'm waiting for motivation."
Ah, yes. The magical motivation that arrives once every 3 years.
Exactly. In English, you can say, if you wait for motivation, you'll wait forever. But if you start, motivation will follow.
Let me share my story too. I wanted to learn Spanish. I downloaded an app, watched a video, practiced a little, and suddenly I told myself, wow, I'm good. I learned how to say hola and stopped.
So your Spanish journey lasted 15 minutes?
15 powerful minutes.
This is common. People start strong, then stop because they expect fast results. But language learning takes time, patience, and consistency.
Yes, like cooking rice. You can't open the pot every second. You need time.
Good example. In English, we say, trust the process. I'll say a basic sentence. You repeat the natural version. Basic. I want to exercise.
Natural. I'm trying to be more active.
Basic. I want to learn English.
Natural. I'm working toward improving my English.
Basic. I will try to save money.
Natural. I plan to save more this year.
Basic. I want to wake up early.
Natural. My goal is to wake up earlier every day.
Good. Now let's try a different practice. I will say a goal and you change it into long-term or short-term. Read more books.
Travel abroad.
Learn a new skill.
Find a better job.
You can say, my short-term goal is to read more books. My long-term goal is to find a better job. Great job! Now it's your turn to speak. Imagine we are meeting for coffee.
I ask you, what's a goal you want to achieve this year?
Next question. What habits are you building to reach your goal?
And finally, how will you stay motivated when you feel tired or lazy?
Nice. This is how real English conversations happen. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. I can improve. I can grow. I can achieve my goals. One small step at a time.
And sometimes one small nap at a time. But keep going.
If today's episode helped you talk about your goals more confidently, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We create easy, natural English conversations to help you practice every day.
And share your goal in the comments below. We'd love to cheer you on and help you stay motivated.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving toward your goals, one small step at a time.
See you in the next episode of Talk Maya English.